Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications on my latest reviews. Today, we are diving into the world of natural superfoods with a review of TrueSeaMoss Wildcrafted Irish Sea Moss Gel. Let's get started. Here it is, folks. TrueSeaMoss Wildcrafted Irish Sea Moss Gel. This product is touted for its incredible health benefits, and I can't wait to share my experience with you. But first, let's talk a bit about what Irish sea moss is and why it's so popular. Irish sea moss, also known as Chondrus crispus, is a type of red algae that's been used for centuries for its nutritional and medicinal properties. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and promote healthy skin. Alright, let's open this up and see what's inside. First impressions: the gel has a nice, smooth texture and a light, natural smell. It's free from any artificial additives, which is a huge plus. Now for the taste test. You can add this gel to your smoothies, teas, or even take it directly. Let's give it a try. It's pretty neutral in taste, which makes it perfect for mixing into various recipes without altering the flavor too much. I personally like adding it to my morning smoothie for an extra nutrient boost. So, what are the health benefits of incorporating Irish sea moss gel into your diet? Well, it's known to support thyroid health, boost energy levels, improve digestion, enhance skin health, and strengthen the immune system. It's also great for joint and bone health due to its anti-inflammatory properties. I've been using TrueSeaMoss Wildcrafted Irish Sea Moss Gel for a few weeks now, and I have to say, I'm impressed. I've noticed an increase in my energy levels and my skin feels more hydrated and glowing. It's become a staple in my daily routine. Overall, I highly recommend giving TrueSeaMoss Wildcrafted Irish Sea Moss Gel a try. It's a versatile, nutrient-rich superfood that can easily fit into your lifestyle. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness reviews. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried sea moss gel before. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.